we made it to Greer Dragway. Coolant temps did pretty well on the way here, considering nothing's heat wrapped. Worked out. We're gonna make some passes tonight, get some data logs, check some spark plugs, add some time and maybe some more boost, and we'll see how it goes. I got the GoPro with me to get some shots from the passenger seat. That was weird.
System ready.
Testing. I don't know what the fuck that was. That was weird. Yeah? What the fuck is it doing? Huh? Oh, the two-step button came loose.
Yeah, hurry up.
Okay.
Yeah, don't.
Let me just get it out of the way.
Yeah, you're on the two-step.
Yeah, I just need to get it out of the way. The button came loose. Okay.
Testing.
Nah, it's doing something else.
Pull it off, Mary.
What the fuck?
System ready.
Pull it off, man. The two-step staying on.
Okay.
Testing. System ready.
be my car at Greer Dragway if it didn't have problems out the gate. Fucking A. Worked fine the whole way here. Been making pulls the whole time. I don't know. Yeah, when it's not cutting off and backfiring.
See, there's way less of a chance of scattering the intake now.
Yeah, just blowing something else up.
How much boost right now?
I don't even know. I only made a few pounds. It's not working, staying on long enough to, I don't know, cut off in second gear. Trying to figure it out. I don't know what the fuck it's doing. Don't know. Yeah, just other problems now.
So, you popped the intake manifold and decided to turbo it?
Yeah.
Bro, what?
Yeah, dude.
It's funny how that happens.
I got the Miata Khalifa.
We made one pass. Holy shit. Huh. I got a fucking wire that's loose. I don't know. It's a cam sensor wire. I've had a problem with this connection before. We jumbled them around and now it's working again, so I don't know. But that was cool. At least it made a pass. I made a full pass at least. How slow was it? That was slow as fuck. What the fuck?
Hey, it beat the 9 minutes.
That's like a fucking NA pass. But I made it in all gears. Fuck it. We're gonna roll into this pass. Turbo LS, Miata Khalifa. He poured a heavy in for you right there on that one, Barry. Do that at the track. I felt pretty damn good. Temp's a little, well, it's not bad. It's a little up there though. Doesn't like those low RPMs when the water pump doesn't. Let it cool down a little bit more before I beat on it. Well, I guess I'll still put this video together. I'll just talk to y'all right here. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise over there. I didn't even think about that, but I'll watch it back and see how it goes. If it's alright, I'll post it. But I got a cam sensor wire short, and I swapped the intake out yesterday because I had a boost leak. And it got jumping around. This has happened before. It's a bad connection, and it's really hard to fix because it's by the firewall. So I got to go through and redo it. It was messing up, losing RPM sync. We jumbled some wires around and it magically fixed itself, and it's working right now. So I'll just have to go through it and redo it again. But if this video works out, hey, you know, it was a good shakedown. We broke it as soon as I got on the line, and hopefully it's better on from here on out. So I gotta fix some things, and we'll be back with another update and hopefully a better track video. But as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing.